Hi guys, I was rereading the answers I just gave to you and noticed something. I haven't got a mark scheme here, which means that I'm not 100% sure exactly how to get these 4 marks, but I noticed that it's a 4-mark question and it says use calculations to support your answer. I think these calculations are a bit too easy, so I thought I'd add an extra bit just in case I haven't got all the marks in the mark scheme. I've noticed that we worked out that the voltages are 6 and that voltage would have been 3, so we know that the operating voltage for A and C is correct, but we haven't exactly worked out the power. So in order to work out the power that's going through them, we need to do P equals IV, and we know what the voltage is, it's 6 volts and 3 volts, but we don't know what current is. So if this has, the top branch has a resistance of 6 plus 3 ohms, which is 9 ohms, and the bottom branch is also the same, then you basically have a 9 ohm and a 9 ohm branch, which means that the total amount of resistance here is going to be 4.5 ohms. And if you have V equals IR, you want to work out the current, that's voltage over resistance, which is going to be 9 over 4.5, which is 2 amps. So you can have 2 amps here, 2 amps here, and it's going to split off, and because these are identical branches, you're going to get 1 amp of current here and 1 amp of current here through the top and the bottom. So the power equation that includes is current times voltage, so you just do 1 amp times the voltage will give you the power. So if the 1 amp for P equals IV, the power is going to be 1 times the voltage across them, which is 6 volts, so 6 for the top one. That one's correct. P equals 1 times, the other one was 3 volts, which is 3, which is lower than the 4.1. So that should have been, the voltage supplied to B and D is 3 volts, and the power supplied to B and D is then 3 watts. And that doesn't match with the operating voltages and the operating powers. So that's just a little bit more information that might help get those extra 4 marks. Okay, all right, thanks guys.